Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we have the Atomberg Fan remote control with us. I'll explain all the buttons and features on this device, including how to set the timer and the sleep mode. Let's check it out now. Talking about this remote control, this is the black color model, pretty compact, just the buttons we need the most. At the back, we have the battery panel. This remote is powered by two AAA batteries, and they have this lanyard cutout. I guess we can attach something here. Atomberg Technologies Private Limited, made in India. And they also have this QR code we can scan and get the instructions, and also some additional info for optimum performance of fan, bypass or remove the regulator connection, and customer care mobile number and email address. That's all. I'll explain all the buttons one by one now. I'll start from the top. This red color button is the power on, power off button. We can select this to power on. And we can also select the same button to power off the fan. And we also have this white color LED light here. Whenever we press any buttons, this white color light will blink. Then we have the circular dial buttons here from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we press the button 1, the fan speed will be 1. That means the fan speed will be the lowest overall. Then by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the fan speed will increase. If we press the button 2, the fan speed will be 2. Same for 3 and 4 and 5. It will increase the fan speed one by one. And in the center we have the B button. B stands for boost. This will enable an additional 6 fan speed, which will be much more faster. And below the circular dial we have 3 buttons: timer, LED, sleep. I'll explain them one by one now. To set the timer, we have to press the timer button once. We can see one blue color light blinking there. That means it is set for 1 hour. When we press it for the first time, it will be set for 1 hour. And when we press it again, we can see 2 blue color LED lights blinking. That means it is set for 2 hours. Similarly, when we press it again, 3, it is set for 3 hours. But now when we press it once again, it won't be set for 4 or 5 hours. It will be set for 6 hours. We can see 6 LED lights blinking there. And if we want to disable the timer, we have to press it once again. After we set it for 6 hours, when we press it again, it will be disabled. We can see the 3 LED lights rotating and blinking. That means it is disabled. And the second button is the LED button. If we press it, it will show all the 6 blue LED lights you can see here. But I'm not sure how much impact it will do during night time, but it's good to have this option. And if you want to disable it, you just have to press the LED button once again. And the last button is the sleep mode button. To set the sleep mode, we have to press it once. We can see the 4 blue color LED lights blinking in a square form. That means the sleep mode is activated. If we want to disable the sleep mode, we have to press it again. We can see the 3 triangular blue color LED lights blinking. That means the sleep mode is disabled. This sleep mode will operate for 4 hours overall. After the first 2 hours, the fan speed will be reduced by 1 level. Then after the next 2 hours, the fan speed will be reduced by another 1 level. When the 4 hours are over, the fan will still function at reduced fan speed, but it will not go below 1. That is the lowest one. The sleep mode will be really helpful if you are in a cold place and you would like to reduce the fan speed during midnight or early morning when it is extremely cold. I think so. Anyway, I haven't used this function much. If all these features and numbers are confusing for you, I'll share a screenshot on the screen for you. It's from the official Atomberg website. It will give you a good idea about the remote's functionality. Personally, the timer mode is really helpful. We will set the timer for a few hours. Then once the fan stops, our AC will switch on because we set up a timer for the AC as well. The fan we are using is the Atomberg Renaissance Smart Plus with the golden oakwood design. Pretty good overall. The fan speed is decent enough. If you have any questions or thoughts, do kindly let us know in the comment section. Please do subscribe if this video is helpful. Thanks for watching this video. Have a wonderful day and night.